recipe of pizza puff. So let's get on to the recipe. So first we'll add 2 tablespoons of oil in the pan and let it preheat. So now I will add the ginger garlic paste into the pan, and if you have plain ginger you can also add it with this together. Add about 1 tablespoon. So now I have some finely chopped onions in it and I am going to add it in. It is about 2 finely chopped onions. Give it a nice and good stir for 1 minute. So now I have some finely chopped carrots, finely chopped capsicum and some sweet corn. So I am going to add it with the onions. We have boiled the corns before cooking. So I am going to add this pizza pasta sauce. You can add any pizza pasta sauce at your home. Add about 2 tablespoons. So add fresh tomato ketchup, about 1 tablespoon. Add 1 tablespoon of red chili sauce too. Give it a nice stir in one direction. So I am going to add water in the gravy stuffing, a bit only, not much. So guys, don't add much water or don't add very less water to make it dry. If you add much water, it will become very gravious and very liquidy, which will come out of your dough. And if you add very less water, it will become very dry and only you will flavor the vegetables. Now turn off the gas and if we will keep it aside to let it cool. Before turning off the gas, I will add salt into it according to your taste. I will add a pinch of salt. And for some more good taste, add chili flakes and oregano. This is too according to your taste, but adding this is compulsory. After adding salt and chili flakes, oregano, stir it well, and then off the gas after stirring it and let it cool down. 1.5 cup of maida. So let's pour it into a plate. So now after adding maida, I would add about 2 teaspoons of salt. Salt is according to your taste. So after adding salt, we have to mix maida and salt together. Let's mix it. After mixing, we are going to add oil into it, but not very much. So now I have made a hole into between. I would add oil into that hole. Little bit of it. That's enough. So I'm going to now mix it together. So now I am adding water. We have to make a proper dough, but don't add all the water at once. Knead it after. So now our batter is ready. So keep the batter aside, and now we have to add some cheese to the puree which we had made before. Start the gas on a very low flame. Now I have some grated cheese. This is Amul cheese. You can use any company cheese. If you have mozzarella cheese, is more better. grated cheese. Mozzarella cheese is more better. So now let's add the cheese. Stir it well and mix the cheese fully with the gravy. So now our puree is fully ready. So turn off the gas and take out this puree in another container. So dough should be this spongy and soft. Divide the dough into equal pieces like this. Okay, so now we have rolled the dough and now we are going to cut it into rectangle like this, and after cutting you must get a shape like this. And now cut the rectangle dough also from middle and make two parts of it. And now in any one part put the puree which we had made. Put the puree in middle and don't let it go in this side. If you let it go in this side, it would come out of the dough. Now dip your hand in the water and grease the dough with all sides from water. Grease the dough in which you have not poured the dough. Now take the second part of the dough and keep it on the first part, and now press it with your finger. Now take a fork and also press it with the fork. So by this you will get a nice design and also a surety that the dough is sealed. Mark the fork from all the four sides. Our pizza puff is ready. Now just we have to fry it. So now keep this in another plate. Make more pizza puff from the dough. Now we are going to pour it into oil and deep fry it on a medium flame. And let it deep fry till it becomes light golden. So yes guys, our puff are ready. And it should be same exact color. It's very tasty. So here's the final result of our Mac Pizza Puff. It's very yummy and delicious. Don't forget to try this recipe. Yummy! So hey guys, this was for our today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel and share this video to all your friends so that they can try this pizza puff recipe which is super delicious. Now serve your pizza puff with sauce and have it. Enjoy with your family. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe and also on the notification bell. So if we post more delicious recipe, it will go on your phone. Bye.